think I saw Superman.
Ready?
Should I hold you? Where the fuck is he? Right there.
Hey, hold on! Hey!
You got your foot?
Fucker!
Just go. Where'd Superman go?
You should take off the hat.
I think I almost flew off.
What was that? That was weak.
I can do this right here.
There you go. Holy shit. I think I'm gonna fly with